Hello guys, today I will show you how to create the EC2 instances in AWS. What we will do today, we'll configure the Apache Web Server here in AWS. So first we'll go to the EC2 instances here, right? Just search EC2, right? Click on that. Then we'll come here, go to the instances, right? So click on that and you can click the launch instances. Here you can put, in my case I'm putting the web server 1, right? And the other predefined operating systems are here, like that is called the AMI, Amazon Machine Image, and here and lot of uh, flavor are available here. They are the predefined SQL server are installed, right? So as per your choice, you can choose the you know, machine image. In my case, I am choosing the Ubuntu server, this one, and that is the key pair chain. Just you can create the new key pair chain here. You click on that and put the web server key and create that, right? In network setting, just click on that and you can choose the default, but better I have just created the new VPC server. I'll choose that, and accordingly the other subnet, right? You can choose the subnet, this one, and as auto assign public IP I'll tick enabled, and this one the security group, right? It will help you to follow the traffic. So I just created this one as the web servers. I've created that, and if you not have the security group, then you may create the new one also. And here go to the advanced details, and what I'll do, I will put the script here. So script hash exclamation mark bin slash bash, put the apt get update y apt get install Apache 2, and here you can put the message, whatever the message you want to display on the web page. In my case, I'm putting welcome to Varanasi, and I'll put the path where that will be that file will be kept, variable w slash html slash index dot html. That will be the path, and file will be written in the index.html file. And after putting that, what I'll do, I'll start the services. Command is ystm system ctl start Apache 2, right? So this is the command, this is the script, right? And when the VM will get start, installer will get finished and start, then we'll try to open the web page through the static public IP, then that message should come, right? So it means I think script is working good. So here, right, I've just put the web server 1, that is the VM name, and here we have selected the operating systems, right? Amazon Machine Image. There are a lot of Windows, Red Hat, Ubuntu, AWS image, whatever you want you can choose that. In my case, I've chosen the Ubuntu server, and there the configurations file is here, right? Whatever the resources you want to use, like how many RAM you are choosing, and what capacity of hard disk you are choosing. You may choose as per your requirement. And here you can see that in my case, I have chosen the one virtual CPU, 1 GB RAM, right? This is the things are there, and they are the keychain, right? Key pair. It will help you to connect the VMs, right? Provide the extra layer of security. That is the network setting where you can create the new VPC, because VPC play the very most important role to connect the and secure your VMs, right? Here I've already created the VPC. In my last video, I'll show you how to create the VPC and security group, right? And so I've just created the VPC with the subnet of 10.111.128, right? So here I've enabled the public IP, right? And here the security group I've just created here, right? And this is the hard disk size 8 GB, and here I've just put the script. So what I'll do, I'll click on launch incidents, click on, sorry, this one, incidents. It's showing pending. Allow it some more moment. It will be in ready state. It's pending. Click on that. It's creating the instances. Yeah, it's running state, right? Status check is initializing. So when I click on that, right, so you can see that I've enabled the public IP, so automatically it's got the IP. When I click on that, open address, so you can see there the it's not running, right? So because I've just enabled it on the HTTP port, so click on yes, remove the HTTPS. Yeah, you can see that Apache server is installed here, right? Right, you can see there it's working. Apache server is installed. More thing, right? Click on refresh. Yeah, you can see there, welcome to Varanasi. So I've just put the echo command over there. So that's how you can create the VMs and instances, right? And create the that thing Apache servers and put whatever the method you want. You can put and create the threads accordingly, right? And this is how you can create the VMs, virtual machines. And if you want to connect the VMs, then just go to here, click on that, click connect, connect. Here you can see there, right? Apache servers are installed and configured, and here you can see there when you just uh, click on the site, when click the public IP here, right? This one you can just copy and paste here, right? Just click http semicolon double slash, put that public IP. When I click enter, you can see this, welcome to Varanasi. So